Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone had a good weekend. I did. I had a fall with my bike, mountain bike, not motorbike, so I'm okay. Just some scrubs here and there. But let's see what happened over the weekend because we have some news, some happenings. I know that some hearts got pounded and I was this close to make an emergency video, but let's talk about that after we start. Okay, before I start, let me just say the usual. Please use a VPN and a browser which blocks the trackers and ads. That could be Brave, Maiar, Tor, DuckDuckGo, whatever. Don't use Chrome, Opera and those because they are not as safe as they should be. If you want to send me a message, you can comment under the video or send me a message on Twitter. All the links are in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, because that is my bread and butter. Let's start with the video. Let's start and see what is happening. So Bitcoin is more or less the same as it was. Yesterday was a bit of bearish and we could feel on some altcoins as well, but now it seems to recover, at least for today, because today and tomorrow it's more like sideways, and we will be able to see some growth over Wednesday, okay, from Tuesday to Wednesday, and then maybe a small dump again, and Friday and Saturday are again a bit of in our favor, as statistics says. Ethereum broke all-time high. Very happy about that because I do hold some Ethereum and I just didn't want to write it off. And most importantly, it also stood there. So it's there above 2000 and it's waiting for the next bull run, which is very good. Big winners, we have plenty. Vazirix, BitTorrent, Staxia, Content. I'm just amazed. I mean, Vazirix went 900%, and I just want to warn you: be careful with the FOMO, because if something goes up 900% and 200%, eventually it will come down. Okay, it will come back a 30%, a 20%, but yeah, I just don't want you to FOMO into something which is going up this high, and then you lose your money because you just don't have the patience to wait until it goes back. If you want to invest in something, then search for something which is not on top high. Okay, buy the dip. Big losers: 8%, 5% Helium, Falcon, Compound, 5%. Not, I wouldn't say that we have big losers. We have some compensation. I mean, with Helium we have 8% from yesterday, but 57% from the last 7 days. It's nothing. Let's check the prices. Let's start with Bitcoin. What is happening here? Let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin didn't do too much. What I'm waiting for is this. Let me just show you. Back the brush. Tuck this and maybe this, and this could be eventually an inverse head and shoulders, which we know that is a sign for a bullish trend. But if we don't really want to check the signs, then I would just like to raise attention to the next string, and that is, this is the 4th. This is the 4th of March, after which it went up, and this is where it is, it's here, 4th of January, after which it went even more. So maybe it could happen that the breakout will be smaller, because as you can see, in January it had a big one, in February a smaller one, but a breakout is imminent, and I do think that we have fair chances for Bitcoin to break out and go to the new all-time high, which could potentially be around 65,000. That's my new assumption. I would say something like here, because maybe this resistance line will just bump it back a bit. Until then, let's check Elrond. Elrond went up to $181, and I was this close to make an emergency video, but I was thinking that I don't make an emergency video until it reaches the 200 level. And the reason is that it was already Saturday lunchtime, and I knew that after that things will start to go down, and I wanted to see how far down it's going. I hope that nobody went into and bought at around 180 with the hope that it will go to 200 straight, because I especially told you on Saturday don't do that, on Friday, sorry. But good news is that it seems that the 160 previous resistance line, which was so hard to break through, now it has become a support line, and we can assume that as hard resistance it was, it will be such a strong support as well. So I would think that this week we will start again the climbing. Probably we will see something like this, what happened previously. This all also depends on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and how the altcoin season is developing right now. But yeah, I'm happy, to be honest. I'm happy. Don't be sad because it came down from 180. The 160 support line is working, at least it seems so. Cardano. Cardano is doing a bit of same thing as Elrond does. It just has a very long consolidation times. As you can see, this was like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and yeah, we are still recovering from it. I know that I don't talk too much about Cardano, but I am still holding a bigger sum of money in Cardano, and I do hope that this project will work, because they are also doing something revolutionary. So Cardano went up, came down, Coinbase Pro was announced, went up again, couldn't break the all-time high, came down again, now it's in consolidation. And to be honest, I think that if and when another altcoin run is starting, and I would say that it has started already, because we could see on the coin market cap that some altcoins are performing like 170% in 24 hours, then I would expect it to try again this all-time high, and if succeeds to go through and the volume comes in, then I would predict a $2 or $3 price for this bull run. That is my prediction. But some people say that it will go as high as 5 or 10. Yeah, do it, go to 10. Last section, question and answers. You sent me some questions, I will try to answer them. Hello friends, Elrond stake is flexible or locked? Depends on the agency. Usually there is a 10 days notice period for which you don't get any staking rewards. It works like you just click the I want to withdraw my Elrond, and then you will have to wait 10 days until you get it, and for that last 10 days you don't get any staking rewards. Elrond price prediction summer 2024, you can see it in this video. I said that it will be around $2,500, but this is by reference from Cardano. We will see. It has a lot of ifs, this proposition. Also, if a bull run is starting, if altcoins will perform as they perform this year, so on. But I'm pretty much optimistic about that. Next question is the same. If I think that it will reach 2,500 in 2 years, maybe not in 2 years. This depends when the next bull run will start, and this bull run is not started again, and after that a bear market will come, which could be 1 year, 2 years. I think it will be 2 years, to be honest, based on historical data. Question, you do not take any profit. I think the question was if I take any profit. I don't take any profit right now. I will take a profit if Elrond goes up to at least 700-800, just because I will use that money to start leverage trading in the bear market. But that is a very small fraction of my Elrond. Most of my Elrond is already staked, and I will not touch it until the next bull market at least. Here we have a scammer. Please be aware of these people. It's not me, for sure, and not anybody who wants to do anything good for you. They want to take your crypto, so don't call them. You see, they posted for 2 comments, so it's not me, and they are not your friends. $300 BNB will eat Elrond alive, and it soon will be 1,000, mark my words. Yes, BNB is doing very great, and I'm very happy about it, because I also have BNB, but I wouldn't really compare BNB to Elrond, because BNB is one of the biggest exchange on the market with lots of things to which Elrond still need to grow up to. So if I would compare Binance with Elrond, Binance is like a big monster and Elrond is still like a child. So long road ahead of Elrond, but they are in the right road and they have a lot of potential. Elrond is FAK coin. Next Indian is ban crypto. I don't think India will ban crypto. Yes, they are saying for some time that they are gonna ban Bitcoin and crypto, blah blah blah. But there are also some news that Indian government is buying Bitcoin through these associates, government-backed associates who are buying Bitcoin, and it's not only India, it's other countries as well, including the US. So I don't really think that they will ban crypto. And says that next is ban from YouTube. That can happen if governments really want to hit back to crypto community to ban it from YouTube, because we know that they can do that, as we saw with Robinhood and GameStop stocks, where Robinhood just sold people's stocks without asking them because the hedge fund companies were going bankrupt. That wasn't ethical, at least. But if you go to my channel, if you don't see any videos for 1 week unannounced, so if I go to a holiday and I'm not gonna do videos for 1 or 2 weeks, I will announce it first. Okay, you will get plenty of information. But if you can't find my videos, if you can't find my channel, you go here. SoMe Social. SoMe Social is a blockchain based social network. It has nothing to do with YouTube or Google or Facebook or anybody. They are independent as cryptocurrency because they are also running on blockchain. So link in the description, take that link, save it in a bookmark on your laptop, just so you have it in the back of your head that if you can find my videos, if no new videos are coming, but that will also be posted on Twitter if something like that happens, then you should know that you can find me here, you can find the videos here, and also on Twitter, if Twitter doesn't ban us, but I don't think so. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and I see you tomorrow. Have a nice week, everyone. Take care.